Derive an expression for half-wave potential. The half-wave potential is defined as that potential at which half of the total metal ions present in the electrolyte are reduced. Or when current I is equals to id by 2, then we can say potential E is half-wave potential, E half. So let's derive an equation for half-wave potential. Generally, reduction is happening at the surface of the cathode. Therefore, metal ions of the surface combines with the electron producing metal. This is equation number 1. And then this metal combines with mercury forming amalgam. This is equation number 2. On applying law of mass action to equation number 1, we get K is equals to Cm divided by Cm plus at the surface. Now, on applying the Nernst equation, which is E reduction is equals to E0 reduction minus RT by NF ln K. Let's put the value of K. So ER is equals to E0R minus RT by NF ln of Cm divided by Cm plus at the surface. So it becomes ER is equals to E0R plus RT by NF ln of Cm plus surface divided by Cm. This is equation number 3, where E0R is standard reduction potential, Cm plus is the total concentration of metal ions present in the solution. Cm plus at the surface is equals to total concentration of metal ions present on the surface, and Cm is the total concentration of metal ions which are reduced over dropping mercury electrode. The current I at any instant is proportional to the concentration gradient of the electrolyte. Therefore, we can say I is proportional to concentration difference Cm plus of solution minus Cm plus of the surface. Therefore, I is equals to K Cm plus solution minus Cm plus surface. Or we can say I is equals to K into Cm plus solution minus K into Cm plus surface. This is equation number 4. When I is id, then all the metal ions on the surface of dropping mercury electrode are reduced. That is, concentration of metal ions on the surface will become 0. On putting this value in equation number 4, we get id is equals to K into concentration of metal ions in solution. Let's put this value again in equation number 4. We get I is equals to id minus K concentration of metal ions on the surface. Therefore, K into concentration of metal ions on surface is equals to id minus I, or we can get concentration of metal ions on surface is equals to id minus I divided by K. This is equation number 5. When all the metal ions are reduced, the current produced is let I. Then I is proportional to concentration of metal. That is, I is equals to K dash Cm, or Cm is equals to I by K dash. This is equation number 6. On putting the value of Cm and Cm plus surface in equation number 2, which is Er is equals to E0R plus RT by NF ln of Cm plus surface divided by Cm. So it becomes Er is equals to E0R plus RT by NF ln of id minus I by K divided by I by K dash. Let's simplify this equation. So Er becomes E0R plus RT by NF ln of id minus I divided by I plus RT by NF ln of K dash by K. This is equation number 7. But when I is equals to id by 2, then E becomes half-wave potential, E half. On putting these values in the above equation, we get E half is equals to E0R plus RT by NF ln of id minus id by 2 divided by id by 2 plus RT by NF ln of K dash by K. So id minus id half will become id half and it will cancel. So the equation becomes E half is equals to E0R plus RT by NF ln of 1 plus RT by NF ln of K dash by K, and ln of 1 is 0. So this factor goes away. So E half is equals to E0R plus 0 plus RT by NF ln of K dash by K, or we can write E half is equals to E0R plus RT by NF ln of K dash by K. Let us replace this value from equation 7 with E half. So equation 7 becomes ER is equals to E half plus RT by NF ln of ID minus I by I. This is equation number 8. This equation is known as Polarographic wave equation, as E half is the characteristic. Therefore, with the help of equation 8, we can have qualitative analysis.